hello everybody, welcome to Monday. I just finished the other vlog, so if you see me in the same, looking the same, that is why. I am currently done with work. I'm about to go to World Market. Now, I should not really be going out to spend any money right now. My intention is not to spend money. I just want to go walk around and get out the house a little bit, but I feel like I'm going to spend some money. Anyway, so I am going to go to World Market, and I think that's my only stop. I really want to, I don't know if Brian's watching this. I hope he isn't, but I want to make him like a love box for Valentine's Day. So I kind of want to gather my ideas on what I want to get him. So I do want to go to World Market and get a couple like international snacks that I know he likes to kind of put in that love box. And I think that's it. That's why I said I'm going to spend money, because World Market has all the coffee syrups and all that stuff. And I know for a fact I want some. I want to try a new coffee syrup or something, because you know, I love my coffee. Anyway, let's go to World Market. All right, y'all, I made it. I'm here. Let's see if I spend a ton of money. Anyway, so I just left World Market, and they have like a lot of like international snacks and stuff. So of course I got lost in sauce, and I bought some stuff that I shouldn't have. I did get a couple things for Brian, but to be honest, the rest are like all snack stuff. So I'm not really gonna try them all. But the two things that I really wanted to try on here is these Calpico drinks. I've recently started to like lychee. Can y'all see that? Lychee. And then they have a strawberry one. And I'm like, I figured like you can't really go wrong with strawberry. Oof, this thing has a lot of sugar. So, I don't know about that. Okay, so we're gonna try it. I feel like this is just becoming like a food review channel. Okay, it smells like strawberry and it doesn't smell artificial. It's good. It kind of tastes like a wannabe like Starbucks refresher. Like if I added coconut milk in here with some dried strawberry. Matter of fact, I should go get coconut milk and dried strawberries from Target, because it tastes like this. There's a lot of ingredients in this. I would rate that flavor probably like an 8 out of 10. Brian's not here to try with me, so I have nobody else to try my things. All right, the lychee or lychee. Ooh, that is real. That is real. That does not smell artificial. Whoa. I think this is my favorite one. Oh my gosh, that is so good. You gotta sip on these things and sip on them slowly. Pour yourself out a portion and don't drink all of this, because this is 30 grams of sugar. Per serving. One bottle. 30 grams of sugar? No, absolutely not. So good evening, everybody. It is like, it's after 6 now, so it's later in the day, and it's today's Wednesday. So I think I talked to y'all yesterday or Monday. I don't even remember. But I'm about to go pick up the dog from daycare, and then I'm going to come home and cook dinner. And to be honest, I really don't want to cook dinner. If y'all know me, or if you don't know me, I don't like to cook. Brian likes to cook, and yeah, I like to bake. Other than that, like, I rather just eat out. I cannot find my shoes. We have to put our shoes away because this dog, y'all can't see me. This dog has been taking up our shoes and try to bite them, so we have to hide our shoes. So like I was saying, I don't like cooking. I like to order out, and just, so now that Brian is away from work this week, I've been eating cereal. And today I'm like, all right, I have some zucchini that's about to go bad, so I'm gonna try and cook that. So I'm gonna go pick up the dog real quick, and then I'll be back and I'll try to cook up the zucchini and find something else to eat with it. I'm fighting hard, y'all. I really just want to order like Wingstop or something. So I'm back home. The dog is fed, and now I'm getting me fed. So I'm already in the middle of cooking, but I'll show y'all the rest. So here is the finished product. Sorry, my TV is so loud in the background, but here it is. I put some turkey kielbasa in it with some shallots, pepper, and garlic salt, and that's it. That's about it. It doesn't look like much, but this used to be a staple when I used to eat like super healthy. So I'm trying to get back into some good habits. So hello everybody, I wanted to hop on real quick before I leave the house. I got a little gift. It wasn't a gift, I bought it, but the bakery that did our wedding cake actually was selling cake pops for Valentine's Day, and I was like, all right, I have to buy it because I love cake pops and I love this bakery and I just want to be reminded of our wedding. We're also buying our anniversary cake from them. So I'm glad that this came in one piece because that means our anniversary cake will come in one piece. So let me show you the little cute box. This is the real reason why I wanted to like hop on the vlog today, because this little cute little box is so cute. Hold on. Look at how cute this box is. I just think this is so cute. I just had to show y'all. If y'all want to be reminded, we had our wedding cake done by Lovely Cakes in Stratford, Connecticut. And yeah, and they do cake pops. They do like little cake pops for holidays. They also do cupcakes, cakes, specialty cakes, whatever. And look at this. How cute. This is so cute. This is what the cake pops should look like. So maybe we'll do it when Brian comes back, because we should have like a competition to see who can make the best cake pop look like the picture. Yeah, so this is it. Oh my gosh, they have white chocolate. Oh my gosh. It's white chocolate. Oh, look. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's just like packing. Well, thanks. Now I got two Ziploc bags, I guess. I don't know what the Ziploc bags are for. Look, the cake pop thing. This is such a cute, like, little set. I thought it was supposed to look like a heart. Isn't one of them supposed to look like a heart? Oh, it is! Oh my gosh, look how cute. Don't mind my crusty nails. And then, oh my gosh. This is so, oh my gosh, it has a little picture. I'm way too excited about this, but I think we're gonna do this on Saturday when he comes back. Oh my gosh, I feel like Brian does not want to do this with me, but I'm gonna make him do it with me. All right, so I'm in the home goods section of TJ Maxx, and I'm looking for a lamp for our side tables in our bedroom, and I really like this one. It's kind of messed up though. I don't know. This one. I don't know. This one's cute too, but I can't find another one. 30 bucks, not bad. I really like this one though, not for 60 bucks. I don't know. What do y'all think? That one's cute. And that one in the back. But I can't find another one. That's the thing with home goods. You can find one thing, but you can't find another. Oh, look what they have. I've been looking for pampas grass forever, but I don't know how much it is. And it's only one. I want like 5 of them. They're so cute. I've been looking for something like this, but it's like $1.99. I feel like I can make it myself though. This is cute. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I have for Brian's gifts. I had to separate it into 2 again. I'll show you what I have so far. So this is what it looks like. I feel like I'm just gonna like kind of fix things to make it look a little bit prettier, but this is all that I can really fit in this like little bucket box. So I probably can fit like one more shirt in there. I'm probably gonna put that shirt in there. And then the rest of the items that I got him, I put in this like cute little Valentine's Day bag. And that's about it. It's very cute. And I got him gherkins. Honestly, Valentine's Day is about, you know, celebrating your partner. Get them what they love. Okay, so it's the next day. I didn't even finish last night's vlog. I don't even know what I did yesterday. Anyway, so today we are making the cake pops. Once again, I'll show you what came in the box. All right, so this came in the box. It's supposed to make 12 cake pops, and each cake pop has like the little design that it's supposed to look like, and then the heart shape is that. This is white chocolate that they gave me, and then the cake pop mix is in here. And these are the cake pops we are making. I'm so excited. I really hope they look like the picture, so I'm gonna try my hardest. You anymore. You guys, look at the finished product. Don't mind the ugly ones in the back. This is like the perfect like couple activity if you want to do it with your like significant other or something. It is so cute. And the bakery I got them from, if you are in Connecticut, you can order from them. Brian had one in, and he said it tasted really good, so I'm excited. This looks so cute. So hello everyone, happy Valentine's Day. I'm currently in the car. I'm on lunch break, so I'm in the car. I'm getting us, I ordered Brian and I an ice cream cake from Dairy Queen. I just saw this cute little cake and I figured it was so cute for Valentine's Day, and it was like perfect for 2 people, so I was like, why not do that as dessert tonight? We were planning on cooking like a 3-course meal, but then we like really wanted Chick-fil-A, so we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A tonight for our Valentine's Day dinner and then come back home and eat ice cream cakes. So I feel like that's the perfect date night and all that stuff. I think I told y'all before, next week we're kind of celebrating Valentine's Day at Monarch, so next week we're gonna like dress up and go all out and all that stuff. I still need to do my hair, so don't look at that. But today's kind of chill, just relaxing, and enjoying each other's time. Yeah, so I'm gonna go pick up this cake before I'm late. And yeah, the sun is sunning right now. I'm liking Texas a little bit. I'm liking it a little bit. That might change in the next couple of days, but I'm liking it a little bit. The sun is sunning. I'm enjoying this weather. Yo, look how cute this is. I just think this is such a cute thing. I don't know why I'm overreacting about this, but I think this is so cute. I think it has like red velvet blizzard and like cake pieces on the inside. So I'm excited. I've never had a Dairy Queen ice cream cake. I've only had Carvel or something. So I'm excited to see how this tastes. If it's gonna taste better or worse than a Carvel ice cream cake, but this is just so cute and perfect for the occasion, which is Valentine's Day. So ending the vlog as usual, I forgot to end it. So I hope y'all had a really great Valentine's Day and a really good week. That is it from me. I'm going to see y'all in the next vlog, and I hope y'all like the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.